Hey, you are here. That means you are looking for a video editor. This is Kalans and I'm selling my services here on Fiverr. I can edit any kind of video which includes vlogging video, documentary video, short film, sports video, gaming video, any kind of ad video, add text in your video, maybe a lower third, add a small animation like this. I can also add smooth transition in your video. If you are a YouTuber, I can add like, share and subscribe button. Add intro as well as outro in your video. I know from where I can use the music which is copyright free. Add end screen in your video. Also add your social media. Why use my service or why hire me? I have experience of more than 5+ years with 2000 plus satisfied client with 800 plus positive review here on Fiverr only. Behind me you can see editing setup. Contacting, asking, discussing question is totally free. Contact me now. Best of luck for your future. Thank you so much.